guys, I'm driving my 2000 ML320 today, and this is the second morning, not in a row, but it's probably about 4 or 5 days in between. And I hear this weird, like, buzzing noise. I can hear that. I cannot figure out what it is. Oh, and it just went off. And it goes off about the same point in my drive the last 2 times it's happened. So I'm gonna wait and see if it comes back again, and if anyone has any ideas, let me know. Post in the comments below. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up button, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. I appreciate it.